Welcome back to the channel. My name is Oliver Thomas, Robert Bernard Thorpe, but if you hit that red subscribe button, feel free to call me Olley. We're talking about the top 5 gadgets I got last year. So this is a monitor arm that Sarah got for me. Really good so far when I've been using it. Here are some noise cancelling headphones. These are literally exactly the same as the Bose ones for all that I am concerned, really. I think they're on Amazon for like £35. They may have been $39.95 or something, but these are unreal. Noise cancelling, they work really well, and I can't ever really justify paying however much, you know, a pair of Beats are going to be, considering these do the exact same thing. Here we've got an Addon Light. This basically is just a cool little light. It's a USB-C charged light. You get this little diffuser as well. You can put it on top of your camera, you can put it on a tripod. One main thing when it comes to me creating content, one thing I neglected for a long time was lighting. So this is a really good little pickup. We then have the Fire HD8. I actually got this for Christmas. When I went traveling, I literally carried like 4 different books with me. They are heavy, so to be able to put as many books as you possibly want into this, it's just really good. Then we got this shaving tool that I actually picked up in January, I think, and it's just been a game changer. Obviously, if you watch the channel, you know that my hair is gone, and it's good to be able to keep it up yourself, because I found myself asking Sarah or someone else to cut my hair, and obviously that can be time consuming. So to finish off the video, I'm gonna leave it there. Any sick gadgets or anything that you bought this year, last year, that's helping you guys create better content, I would love to know. And of course, if you did watch the video all the way through, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, stay along for the journey. It means a lot. Keep doing what you're doing, guys, and let's keep growing together. And yeah, definitely drop a comment below if there's anything that you've come across gadget wise that you want me to talk about on the channel. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.